Welcome to Buy Spares. This video will show you how to remove the filters in a Dyson vacuum cleaner to be cleaned or replaced. Before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. Start by removing the cyclone body to access the top filter. Unclip the filter housing and remove the filter, which can then be cleaned with warm soapy water. Filters should not be put back into the vacuum until they're completely dry, so we recommend to have a spare set for use while one set is drying. To clean the HEPA filter, firstly unclip and remove the hose, and then unclip and remove the filter housing. Rather than cleaning, the HEPA filter should be replaced with a new one every 6 months. Fit the new filter back into place, replace the lid and click shut. Reattach the hose and replace the cyclone body. For all the spare parts you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.